What's the name?
Okay.
Go ahead. 5 little pumpkins. Now you open it up.
Okay.
5 little pumpkins. Talk loud, honey. Sitting on a gate.
Sitting on a gate.
All right, go ahead.
Huh?
The first one said,
Oh my, it's getting late.
okay, stop showing off. The second one said,
The witches in the air.
oh, witches in the air. Stop showing off, honey. The third one said,
I don't care.
the fourth one said, let's,
I don't want.
and the fifth one said, let's have,
Fun.
went,
Top right.
oh, went the wind.
It hurts in my way.
Well, stop doing it. Went the wind.
Okay, my way.
Out went the light. Turn the page.
Okay.
And 5.
5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight.
Rolled out of sight. There's it for Joshy. Say hi, Joshy.
Hi, Sashi.
You just read a book for him. You usually read it better, but
But I don't want to read it. I don't want.
you want to do the baby book?
Yes.
Okay.
For Sashi.
For Joshy. There you go. One more book. Go ahead.
My book. I'm gonna read it. Where's the baby's eyes?
Where's the baby's eyes?
There.
Under the what?
Under the hair.
Very good. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. I'm trying to close it up. Where's the baby's mouth? Right there.
Wow. Good job.
Under the sink. Oops, sorry, Nana. Where's the baby's belly button? Right there. And
Where's the baby's what?
a baby's feet?
You're showing up. We can't understand you when you do that. Okay, finish it up.
I take in a bath.
Where's the baby's what?
A baby's hand.
And now, where is that baby?
Right there.
Very good. Okay, tell Joshy you love him.
Love them.
No. Is Joshy a boy or a girl?
A boy.
That's right. What is McKenna?
I'm a good girl.
A good girl. Everybody's a good girl. Okay, say bye, Joshy.
Bye, Shashi.
Can blow kisses?